Aloha, Kauai. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Monday, April 20th. The number of total confirmed cases still remains at 21. Of those 21 cases, 17 individuals have either recovered or returned to their home on the mainland. The remaining 4 active cases are residents, 3 are in home isolation, and 1 remains in isolation at the hospital. All but 1 case has been confirmed to be travel-related. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency or KEMA site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated at noon every day. We're continuing to get information concerning the Governor's 5th supplementary proclamation, and we remain in touch with the Attorney General and their office on seeking clarification for a number of community-raised items, including the directive for exercising on the beach. We know that it is a top priority for our community, and our goal is to have clarification on that rule by end of day today. Along with this proclamation, the Governor issued 2 additional executive orders that waive a number of state laws. We'd like to highlight a few more state law waivers for your information. The Governor has waived Chapter 576E relating to child support enforcement. He has empowered the Attorney General and Child Support Enforcement Agency to temporarily suspend or modify child support obligations without the need to commence administrative proceedings if all parties are in mutual agreement. Renewal of disability parking permits has been waived temporarily to the extent that recertification for special license plates or renewals of placards expired during the emergency period. State liquor laws have been waived to the extent necessary to enable the county liquor commissions to allow licensees to sell unopened beer, unopened wine, or prepackaged cocktails with food for pickup, delivery, takeout, or other means to be consumed off-premise. The Governor has also allowed flexibility to increase the number of healthcare professionals able to practice within the state. New graduates and those with out-of-state licenses may now get approval to practice their skill within the state under certain parameters. This would include registered nurses, licensed practical nurses, occupational therapists, pharmacists, physical therapists, respiratory therapists, radiotherapy professionals, and speech pathologists. If you're planning on getting married, you may now appear by video teleconference or audio teleconference in front of the person that is authorized to marry you. Arbitration hearings for lemon law hearings on vehicles are now allowed via teleconferencing. Lastly, there are greater restrictions on hiking state-owned trails. No group of more than 2 persons is allowed to hike on state trails unless all hikers in the group are part of a single residential or family unit sharing the same address. All persons hiking who are not part of a single residential or family unit sharing the same address shall maintain a distance of at least 20 feet from any other hiker. We would encourage everyone to read the Governor's 5th emergency proclamation by going to governor.hawaii.gov and click on News. It will also be posted to the County of Kauai COVID-19 website at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. We understand that our COVID cases have remained steady for several days, and you're probably wondering what's next, particularly regarding our economy. We're actively working on plans for reopening our economy, and today I want to talk about some of this planning. But one caution, we can't lift the restrictions if it means compromising our protections for Kauai residents. We have to be careful to prevent disease resurgence, which has happened in some places that relaxed too soon. We want to thank all of you for your patience and discipline to endure this hurt. We know it's hard, but our goal is to reopen safely. We are taking direction from several sources on how and when to get our community moving again, balancing economic needs with health concerns. We are actively studying the progress of COVID-19 in our community. We are reviewing the testing data and taking reports from the medical community. We're also reviewing what other countries have done as they have dropped restrictions, and we're reviewing federal recommendations. We want to see case numbers continue to decline. We want to be sure our healthcare facilities are ready in case of a resurgence. We want to be sure our testing capacity is strong. These indicators will lead to loosening some restrictions while maintaining guidelines to protect public health. We want to ease restrictions as long as we can, do so without increasing risks. Further, we have also called on more than 60 members of our island community to participate in what we're calling Kauai Economic Recovery Strategy Teams. They have already started meeting electronically to advise us on what is needed to bring our economy back. The teams have broken up into several economic sectors such as agriculture, healthcare, and others. We're constantly reviewing our policies, and in the coming days and weeks, we'll make adjustments toward that goal of restarting more economic activity, provided we can do so safely. Here are a few additional reminders. Today we launched our Kauai County Loan Program in partnership with our county, Hawaii Community Foundation, Hawaiian Community Assets, and Hawaii Community Lending. We're launching this program to assist those families with no other means to access loans, specifically those unable to establish credit at a banking institution. Loans are available up to $5,000 at a 0% fixed rate with no fees. Fixed monthly principal loan payments would start 6 months after loan closing, with a loan term up to 60 months based on the size of the loan and applicant. Applicants must be residents of Kauai, at least 18 years of age, and demonstrate loss of income. Applicants must also undergo financial counseling. The loans are being administered by Hawaii Community Lending. To apply, visit www.hawaiiancommunity.net. And of course, our daily reminders include, please stay home as much as possible. Refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, keep a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Do not leave home if you are sick unless you are seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. We're going to get through this, Kauai. Stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Kauai, we can do this. Hang in there. Take care of one another. God bless and aloha.